Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing a frustrating problem. Your iPhone won't restart. But don't panic. We've got an easy guide to help you fix it. Slight pause. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Slight pause. Okay, so your iPhone is stuck. Maybe it's frozen on the Apple logo, a black screen, or just not responding. In this video, we'll go through a series of troubleshooting steps, starting with the easiest and moving to more advanced solutions. We'll cover everything from a simple force restart to restoring your iPhone. Let's get started. Start showing screen recording of iPhone. Okay, the first and usually most effective solution is a force restart. This forces your iPhone to shut down and restart, often resolving minor software glitches. The method for force restarting varies depending on your iPhone model. Demonstrate force restart for iPhone 8 or later. For iPhones 8 and newer, including the iPhone SE, second and third generation, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button, the power button, until you see the Apple logo appear. Keep holding it even if the screen goes black again. Just hold until you see that Apple logo. Demonstrate force restart for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold both the side button, power button, and the volume down button at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the Apple logo. Demonstrate force restart for iPhone 6s and earlier, and iPhone SE first generation. For iPhone 6s and earlier, and the original iPhone SE, press and hold both the home button and the side button, power button, at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the Apple logo. Slight pause after demonstrating all force restart methods. Alright, hopefully, that force restart did the trick. If it didn't, don't worry, we have more options. Move to next troubleshooting step on screen recording, checking the charging cable and port. Next, let's check your charging cable and port. Sometimes a seemingly dead iPhone is simply out of battery and not charging properly. Visual demonstration of checking the cable and port. Make sure your charging cable is properly connected to both your iPhone and the power adapter. Try a different charging cable and adapter to rule out a faulty accessory. Also, inspect your iPhone's charging port for any debris or lint. Use a small non-metallic tool, like a toothpick, to carefully remove any obstructions. Be gentle, you don't want to damage the port. Leave your iPhone plugged in for at least 15 to 30 minutes to see if it starts charging. Sometimes a completely drained battery needs a little time to recover. Slight pause. If your iPhone still isn't responding after charging, let's move on. Move to the next troubleshooting step on screen recording, updating via recovery mode. The next step is to update or restore your iPhone using recovery mode. Recovery mode allows you to connect your iPhone to a computer and reinstall the operating system. Keep in mind that restoring your iPhone will erase all your data, so only do this if other options haven't worked. Show instructions for entering recovery mode on screen. The process for entering recovery mode is similar to the force restart, but you hold the button longer. Demonstrate entering recovery mode for iPhone 8 or later. For iPhones 8 and newer, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even after the Apple logo appears. Continue holding until you see the recovery mode screen, which shows a cable pointing to a computer icon. Demonstrate entering recovery mode for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold both the side button and the volume down button. Keep holding them until you see the recovery mode screen. Demonstrate entering recovery mode for iPhone 6s and earlier, and iPhone SE first generation. For iPhone 6s and earlier, and the original iPhone SE, press and hold both the home button and the side button, power button. Keep holding them until you see the recovery mode screen. Transition to computer screen with iTunes or Finder open. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, connect it to your computer. Your computer will recognize your iPhone and prompt you to either update or restore. Explain the difference between update and restore. First, try updating your iPhone. This will reinstall the latest version of iOS without erasing your data. If the update is successful, your iPhone should restart normally. If updating doesn't work, you'll need to restore your iPhone. Remember, this will erase all your data. If you have a backup, you can restore from that backup after the restore process is complete. Follow the on-screen instructions in iTunes or Finder to complete the update or restore. Brief pause while showing the computer screen. Okay, hopefully, updating or restoring your iPhone in recovery mode has resolved the issue. Return to the iPhone screen recording. If you've tried all these steps and your iPhone still isn't restarting, it's likely a hardware problem. In that case, your best bet is to contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider. They can diagnose the issue and provide repair options. Slight pause. Alright, that's it for this video. We've covered several methods to fix an iPhone that won't restart, from a simple force restart to restoring your device. Final screen with call to action. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or tips of your own, please leave them in the comments below. And remember to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.